Exercise 12.1 differentiate with respect to x. So we know that we have y equal to x power n, dy dx is n x power n minus 1. So the power we move to in front, and then after that minus 1. Okay, so over here we have the y equal to this, so the dy dx, okay, is equal to 7x power 6. Okay, and then for this one we have y equal to x to the power 9, then dy dx is 9x power 8. So we have y equal to this, then dy dx equal to negative 2x to the power negative 3. So we also can write as negative 2 over x power 3. So we must know that a power negative n is 1 over a to the power n. So we have the dy dx equal to negative x power negative 2. So it will become negative 1 over x squared. So this one we rewrite y as 3x power negative 1. So the dy dx will be negative 3x power negative 2 is negative 3 over x squared. So we have the y is 1 over 2 x to the power negative 5. So dy dx will be negative 5 over 2 x power negative 6. So it will be negative 5 over 2x power 6. And then the y for this one will be x to the power of 2 over 3. Then the dy dx will be 2 over 3x to the power of negative 1 over 3. So this will be 2 over 3 cube root of x. Okay, so we have the y equal to x to the power of 3 over 2. Then the dy dx will be 3 over 2x to the power 1 over 2. Then it's 3 over 2 square root of x. Okay, so for this one, okay, it will become 1 over x to the power of 1 over 3. Then 1 over cube root of x. Okay, so for this one, okay, we can rewrite as 1 over 2 multiplied with 1 over x power 5. Then it will become 1 over 2 x to the power negative 5. Then the negative 5 will multiply here, and then negative 5 minus 1 become negative 6. So we have this one, then the dy dx will be negative half x to the power negative 3 over 2. So it's negative 1 over 2 cube root of x squared. Okay, so for this one, the dy dx is negative 2 over 3 x to the power negative 5 over 3. So it will become negative 2 over 3 and then cube root of x to the power 5. So the y here we can rewrite as x to the power 4 over 3. Okay, so we have the a to the power n over n is equal to a to the power m and then root n. Okay, so this is 4 over 3. Then the dy dx will be 4 over 3 x to the power 1 over 3. Okay, it is 4 over 3 cube root of x. So this y is 1 over 2 x to the power negative half, because this is 1 over 2 times 1 over square root x. Okay, then the dy dx will be 1 over 2 multiplied with negative half x to the power negative 3 over 2. Then it will become negative 1 over 4 and then cube root of square root of x cube. Okay, I make a mistake here. This is x power 3. 3 over 2 is like this. Okay, so we have y equal to x power 0. Then y is equal to 1. Okay, we know that any number power 0 will equal to 1 with condition that x is not equal to 0. So we have the 6 power 0, also we have 1, and then we have 60 power 0, also 1, but 0 power 0 is undefined. Okay, so we assume the x here is not equal to 0, then the dy dx is equal to 0. So this one is a straight line, y equal to 1. So the gradient is equal to 0, so the dy dx is equal to 0. So any constant, the first derivative is equal to 0. So for this one, the dy dx is 2 times half x to the power negative half. Then we have the 1 over square root of x. So the y here is 2 x to the power of 2. So this is cube root of 8, and then x to the power x over 6 over 3, then is 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, so the dy dx here will be the 4x. Okay, so the y here is 2 to the x power 8, then the dy dx will be 16x to the power of 7. So for O here, if you don't know that cube root of 8 is 2, you can use calculator lah. Cube root of 8 is 2 lah. So this is power 6, and then cube root is over 3. Over 3, then this one we have 2 here, and this one also 2. Okay, so for this one we have the dy dx will be the 1 over 2 multiplied with 1 over 2 x to the power negative 1 over 2. So it is 1 over 4 square root of x. So for this one, the y is 3 over 2 x. Okay, so the dy dx will be 3 over 2. Okay, so if we have the y equal to ax power n, then the dy dx is the a n x power n minus 1. If you have a y equal to kx, constant multiplied with x only, then the dy dx is equal to the constant. If we have a y as a constant, then the dy dx is equal to 0. Okay, so for this one, this is 3 over 2. So for this one, we can write as 1 over 2 x to the power of 2 minus half. Then we have the y is half x power 3 over 2. So the dy dx will be 1 over 2 multiplied with the 3 over 2 x to the power half. Then it's 3 over 4 square root of x. So for this one, the y is equal to x, this one, then we have power 1. So then it will become 1 over square root of x. Okay, because the x here I can rewrite as square root x square. Okay, so this will be the x to the power negative half. So the dy dx will be negative half x to the power negative 3 over 2. Okay, then it will become negative 1 over 2 square root of x cubed.